Well, I grew up in a small town, and every once in a while we'd pile into the old car and head to the big city. One of the highlights was stopping at KFC. It wasn't something we did every week, but it was a real treat. Today I'm bringing back one of those memories and turning it into a KFC Chicken Burger Skillet. Yes, a KFC Chicken Burger Skillet. But it's done the cook and share way. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is grab up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to cut these into chunks, and I'm going to do, I guess, about an 1.5 inch chunk, something like that. You want something really biteable, something you can get into, because we are kind of making up a burger here. Yeah, so that's about perfect. Now, you don't have to necessarily use chicken thighs. You can use breasts, but I like the thighs. You get that little more juiciness to them, so it's entirely up to you. You can use any chicken part you want. Alrighty, we got the chicken thighs all cut up, so I'm going to throw them into a bowl here. Now, here's kind of the tricky part, guys. We got to get our seasoning kind of right here, so I am going to go in, I'd say with about a teaspoon of salt, another teaspoon of the old ground black pepper.
Follow that up with a teaspoon of paprika, and you want just the regular paprika, not the smoke, because you don't want the smoky effect in this.
A teaspoon of garlic powder, some onion powder, but another teaspoon. Teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, and this is fresh from the old garden, half a teaspoon of basil, and last but not least, half a teaspoon of celery salt. You might say, what? Celery salt? It just kind of adds that earthy, dynamic flavor to it. It's optional, but it's good. And of course, use our hands. We're going to give this a mix together until that seasoning covers everything. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Dave, I caught you, because the old Colonel used 11 and you only used 9 herbs and spices. Well, nobody really knows what he used anyway, but remember, we're doing it the cook and share way. Chicken's all seasoned up, and into the pan we go, the good old cast iron pan, with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to heat it up over medium-high heat here. Maybe about a tablespoon is good enough. And in we go with that chicken that we've seasoned up. Oh, I bet you this is going to be good, guys. And we're just going to stir and fry this until it's basically, well, not basically, until it's cooked through and browned up. And we talked about the KFC herbs and spices. I wouldn't quibble so much about it because, you know, KFC has changed so much for various reasons that I'm trying to get it back to the original state where I remember it. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. Well, the old chicken is frying up here. I'm going to make up a secret sauce, but this is not necessarily a KFC, but it's a Cook and Share Dave secret sauce. So what we're doing is adding in half a cup of mayo, then a couple of tablespoons of the old sour cream, a tablespoon of ketchup, and I'm just using Heinz. You can use any ketchup you like. Then a teaspoon of the old original Dijon mustard for that tanginess, a tablespoon of sweet pickle juice just for that sweetness, of course. And you know what? I'm going to throw in a bit of sweet pickle relish, maybe half a tablespoon. A bit of garlic powder, I don't know, half a teaspoon. A bit of onion powder, maybe another half teaspoon of that, depending on how garlicky and oniony you want it, but I think that's good. And a good crack of ground black pepper. Now we're going to grab up the old spoon and just kind of mix this around. Now I'm going to do a little secret here in a couple of minutes, guys. First off the old bat, I'm going to give this a taste and see how it is. Dadgummit, that's a good sauce. You've got to make this. Next up, I'm going to grab it up and spoon it into a squeeze bottle because I want to squeeze this over the top and make a real nice, nice appearance for the guests coming over. And I just have to say, guys, well, this chicken is frying. It smells absolutely incredible. It's a little early to try it yet. It's not quite cooked, but man, oh man, it smells good. All right, guys, we're pretty much fried up here. I'm going to try a little piece of this. This is delicious. I know. It's pretty much the way I remember KFC, but let's move on and finish this up. Now the chicken is done here. I'm just going to spread this out evenly in the pan. And we are going to go over this with about 4 slices of the good old American processed cheese. Now you could use just regular old cheddar, but I just like the way the American process melts down. And also, I just like cheese on my chicken burgers. Maybe something like that. We'll slip a lid on it, just let this melt down. Cheese is melted down beautifully here. And now I'm going to throw a bit of lettuce over the top. Not too much. You don't want to cover all that chicken and cheese and stuff. Follow that up with a few diced tomatoes. I like tomatoes on my chicken burger. Although this is not a burger, so to speak. It's close. It's a skillet. Now we'll drizzle some of that sauce over the top, and then maybe what we'll do is we'll just kind of go across the other way. And last but not least, we'll garnish things up with a few green onions. And there you have it, guys, our KFC chicken skillet done the cook and share way. And this is going to be, I guarantee you, absolutely delicious. Okay, guys, let's dig in here and see what we got. I want to get some tomatoes and some lettuce, sauce, and all the jazzing that goes with it. But oh, I think this is going to be so good. Everybody's going to love it. And I bet you the neighbors are going to be coming over. Even the Colonel himself, if he comes back, might be coming over. Now, a few tips before we do this. Like I say, you don't have to use the thighs. You could use chicken breasts, whatever you like. But I think the thighs really add the touch to it. Adjust the seasoning accordingly, but I did taste the chicken beforehand. It was pretty much, it was pretty good as far as I'm concerned. Tomatoes, lettuce, you can adjust all of that. But this is going to be great, guys. So let's taste it. All right, let's go ahead and see what she's like. Oh my. Mm. This is absolutely delicious. If you think you need a bun to have a chicken burger, you don't. This is a chicken skillet that tastes like a chicken burger. Believe me, just some kind of weird thing going on here. You are going to love that. That seasoning, like I say, as far as I remember KFC, it is really close. I love the cheese. I love the tomatoes. Everything about it is just absolutely great. If you do make it up, leave us a comment. Love to read it. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And I'm going to double dip here. And this is good. See you in the next video.